Hey guys, I almost forgot to film again. So here's what I got from Wegmans. I did Instacart. I got some bagels and some frozen mangoes, some fries, some blueberries, some pineapples, um, and I got some almond milk that's already down there, and some juice, some bananas, 18 kind of eggs. That's the bagel. Some shortening. I'm gonna make some cookies, some powdered sugar, chocolate chips, and some M&Ms for brownies. I'm gonna put the M&Ms in the brownies, and some cheddar baked biscuit mix. So yeah, that is it. I needed some crab meat for Christmas, but it was like too expensive, like $45. And online it said it was $25. So I'm gonna have to go somewhere else to find the crab meat. But yeah, Merry Christmas, you guys.